Hello champions. In the series of installation, today we are going to install Git. To install this powerful tool, we have to go on the website. This is the link of Git official website. Don't worry, I will put the link of it in the description. Now it doesn't matter what operating system you are having, Git provide its services to Windows, Mac and the Linux Unix. So download according to your operating system. Because I am having the Windows, so I am downloading Windows. So now we have to wait for it. Okay, so once the downloading is done, we are going to install it. Yes. Okay, only show me options. Install. It will take couple of seconds to install. So let me pause the video until it install. Okay, so now it is almost done. So now we are back. Come on, come on. Git is very powerful tool to keep an eye on your projects. So if you are working on your project, and it is not only about the tracking of your project, but it is also very helpful tool, because sometimes you try to play with your project, you try to play with your codes, and then after a while you realize you don't want these old codes. So Git provide you all the features to go back to your previous code with very clear way out. Okay, so now it is installed. I'm saying finished it. Okay, Git introduction and the licenses and everything. But for right now we don't need to bother about it, because the Git is installed, so it is all done. So now because installation is done, to check whether it is installed or no, just go on your desktop or anywhere, make a right click, and then you will see Git bash here. And if you click on here, so now you are having the Git terminal to do whatever you want to do. So if you are familiar with the Linux coding lineup, then you can easily use it. But if you are not familiar with what command line is or how to code using command line or the Linux terminal, don't worry. In all the projects, we will use it and you will get to know. So till then, take care. Bye bye.